Hello everyone! In this quick video, I'll show you how to recharge your Lebara SIM card using a voucher. So let's get started. First, open the My Lebara app and log in to your account. Tap on the menu at the top right corner. Tap on Recharge or Tap App. Choose Use a Voucher and enter your 12 to 16-digit code found in your voucher. Tap Submit or Redeem to complete your Tap App. Once done, you'll see your new balance added instantly. And that's it. That's how you recharge your Lebara SIM using a voucher. Thanks for watching! If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.